Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair using a Tangle Teezer. I know it's not like a new thing or whatever, but I recently purchased one and I've been loving the way my hair comes out when I use it to style. It's also amazing for detangling your hair, not only on wet hair but on dry hair. So yeah, I really love this thing and I figured I would show you guys how it works in my hair. So this is the brush. I picked it up from Ulta. I believe I paid $14 for this brush, which I guess it's kind of pricey. It's a little bit more expensive than a regular detangling brush, but I honestly think it's pretty worth it. It has 16 rows of bristles and they're like alternating sizes. So one row is shorter, one row is longer. And actually the bristles are really flexible. They look pretty stiff, but they do have a nice flexibility to them and the tips are rounded, so it's really gentle on your scalp. So yeah, this is the brush. Okay, I just moved back a little bit so you can actually see more of my hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and detangle with the Tangle Teezer. It actually glides through your hair so nicely. I was actually really surprised on how well it detangled my hair when my hair was dry the other day. I did like a little treatment on it and I needed my hair dry and detangled and it worked so good. And then this is all the hair fall from brushing my entire head, which honestly is not a lot at all, and that's really good. So I'm going to be using this random combo of products, but I have used them all together and they actually worked pretty well together. So first I'm going in with the TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. This has protein in it and I find that my hair has been loving this. I've been using this almost every time I wash my hair since I purchased this, just almost like as a prep product. I don't use too much of it, especially if I'm going to be using another cream. This also works really nicely when I use it in a one product curly hair routine. I just apply a little bit more, but it leaves my curls looking really nice. Okay, and now for styling my hair, I am going to do this in sections and starting from the back. And then to style, I'm going to be using the Cantu Curl Activator. This is one of my favorite products ever. Well, the original one. This is the new avocado hydrating one, which honestly I feel like works exactly the same, except this one smells way better. But I'm going to apply a little bit to each section. I also feel like I need to dampen my hair a little bit, so I'm just gonna add some water. And then I'm just gonna run the Tangle Teezer through my hair, always trying my best to go upward and outward away from my scalp. And then when I get to the end, I just like to twist my hair and almost twist it around the handle. Just like that. I know this is probably weird, but that's what I do. And then I just scrunch. I'm actually going to work on one side at a time, and I am going to apply a little bit more water because my hair is drying out. One thing I do like about the Tangle Teezer, at least compared to a Denman brush, is that it has a larger surface area, almost similar to the wet brush. So you're able to grab more hair and it kind of makes the process faster and also helps you get like larger clumps when you're trying to define your curls. So this is the first side completely styled. The curls are looking really good. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Cake Beauty Curl Whip Mousse. And this will give me some hold, but it's super lightweight so it won't weigh my hair down. And I just scrunch it in until all the white goes away. So I just finished styling my hair and I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little bit before I diffuse. But I want to show you guys a close-up of these curls. Look at these beautiful clumps I created with the Tangle Teezer. And yeah, I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm feeling the middle part. I don't usually wear my hair in the middle part when my hair is curly, but we're gonna see how this turns out, and I'll be back once I start diffusing my hair. I just wanted to show you guys that I am actually going to wet plop my hair for a few minutes and then I'm gonna start diffusing. So okay, so now that my hair is completely dry, I'm just gonna go in with some hair oil and break up this cast a little bit and also separate some of these curls. This is easily becoming one of my favorite oils. It smells so freaking good. But I'm just gonna put that all over my hands and then go in and break up some of these big clumps. Okay, I just want to show you guys how well the Tangle Teezer clumped my curls. I have these cute little ringlets all around my head. I'm gonna go in and separate them a little bit so I can get some more volume, but because they are clumped so well, I'll still have that really good definition in my hair. And these are my final results. Can you guys tell why I have been loving this Tangle Teezer? Like, look at these curls. Look at this. Look at this. I love the way that my hair comes out when I use this Tangle Teezer. I also feel like some of the curls are kind of finding their way back to the original clumps. I keep having to like separate them. I don't know if that's the thing. Let me know if that happened to you if you use the Tangle Teezer to style your hair. You guys know I recently tried out the wet brush for the first time and I really liked the way that that clumped my hair and the way that my curls looked when I used that brush to style. I don't really know if it looks the same. I don't know, for some reason I just feel like this Tangle Teezer does something different and it just looks so much better. I don't know, maybe I'm just psycho, but I think I might do like a brush battle. I know there's a million videos on YouTube like that, but I just want to see for myself if there really is a difference, because it's like a totally different brush. Like the bristles are different, everything. So maybe I'll have one of those videos coming up soon, but definitely compared to like a Denman brush or just like a 9-row brush that's similar to a Denman brush, totally different results. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go, and also don't forget to check out some of my other videos that are probably right here on the screen, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.